you. This is Ben from East Coast Caravans.
Hey guys.
He's going to take us on a tour of one of their beautiful products and a family van, is it, Ben?
Absolutely, a Canyon Classic. Comes in a 2 or 3 bunk configuration. Come and have a look, guys.
Yeah, let's go. Here we go, step up.
Thanks for coming in. Hey guys, our vans come standard with a queen size bed. 21.6 foot van. Very spacious. Also comes standard with a cooktop, grill and a full fanboat oven.
That's good.
Also, the new 12 volt compressor fridges have been really popular. Lounge suite with a telescopic table. Also come with a heat pump, and which is also econ as well. And also smart TV and a stereo system.
Oh, beautiful.
Absolutely.
So tell me a little bit about the power. What sort of power have we got in here? Batteries, solar?
Yes. Comes standard with 2 170 watt solar panels and 2 deep cycle batteries. So plenty of power. We can upgrade power if someone wants to upgrade from an inverter or lithium batteries. However, for this price, it comes standard with.
And what is the price for this unit that we're looking at?
This unit is not this weekend only is 99,000, including GST.
Wow,
which is a very good price.
That is very good for a family van.
Absolutely. So we're very stoked with that price. I think it's definitely been really popular for us.
Yeah. And what sort of water have we got on board?
Yep. So we've got 2 95 litre freshwater tanks.
Gosh, it's a good sized fridge, isn't it? And being a compressor fridge too.
Yes, and it's got the chest freezer at the bottom.
Yes.
It's been really popular.
Yeah, very good. And the bunks.
Yep.
Got a curtain between, so there's no door getting in the way.
Absolutely.
And we've got the storage down the back here. Oh, look
machine.
at that.
Yep.
A little wee washing machine. It's very cute. Oh, you just pop in there. What size is that?
It's a 3 kilo washing machine.
Into the bathroom. 12 volt electric flush toilet, overhead storage. What size are we going in here? Oh yeah, we've got plenty of room for me in here. We could possibly fit the rock, but we'll just leave him outside this time, shall we, Ben?
Absolutely.
Fitted. That's very nice. And tell me about some of the other caravans you've got on the range.
Absolutely, guys. So we've got 5 vans in the range. Our other bunk van is a 22 foot Glacier, and that is also a 2 or 3 bunk van. It's our other family van. Our Viking is a single axle couples van. That's 18.2 foot. That's been really popular as well. Then we do a Valley. That's a 20.6 couples van.
So you've got quite a lot across the range.
We do, absolutely. And then the last one is our ever popular Summit at 22 foot with a rear club lounge.
Which will be the really popular one.
Absolutely.
Everyone loves a rear club lounge.
Definitely.
So tell us a little bit about your business, East Coast Caravans.
Yes, so we're based down in Timaru. We've had the Canyon brand now for just over 2 years. Yeah, we're a local company in Timaru in the middle of the South Island, and things have been going really well. Absolutely. So.
Well, that's lovely. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time, Ben, and we look forward to looking at more of your product in the future.
Awesome. Thanks, Robin.
So that's Ben, East Coast Caravans down in Timaru.
Definitely. Thanks, guys.
That was another great video from NZ Today, RV Travel Lifestyle magazine. Subscribe and follow our channel for more great videos. Follow us on Facebook. Thanks for your support.